Hey everyone, welcome back to another Momentum Mondays. My name's Mac with Momentum Digital. Today we're going to be taking 3 to 5 minutes to talk about how to use email marketing with Eventbrite. So if you're in digital marketing and event marketing or advertising, or maybe you're just an event manager or planner, let's talk about how to use Eventbrite and email marketing within Eventbrite to get more sales and tickets sold to your target market using those emails. So I'm just taking a crack at this, not really practicing, just going to dive head first. I'm wearing the AirPods just because the audio quality is surprisingly better than just my laptop. But before we get into these details, if you're watching, please let me know, have you used Eventbrite before? Why or why not? You know, comment below what you do use. Maybe it's Ticketleap, maybe it's Splash Pages. I'm not really sure. But today specifically, we're going to talk about how to use email marketing with Eventbrite specifically. And if you have any questions, also comment those below. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And let's jump into the details. First things you're going to want to do is you're going to gather and download your email list, whether it's like from Google or Gmail, Constant Contact, MailChimp, whatever the case might be. We're going to be talking about my friend's account right here, and we won't share all his details, but he uses Constant Contact, and you're just going to want to go to the Contacts tab, and I'm going to minimize the screen here. You can choose all the contacts, you're going to export, you can choose what you want to export, and all that good stuff. It'll take a couple minutes, and then you can go to that export tab and download. I'd recommend a CSV file. However, Eventbrite does integrate with platforms like Constant Contact and MailChimp. Next thing you're going to want to do if you download it, just make sure to clean and organize the list. Make sure it's not like old or spammy emails. Make sure they're legitimate. People subscribe. People are part of lists related to this event or events you've done in the past. Next, you're going to want to log into Eventbrite and go to the Manage Events tab. So we're going to go in here. We're going to go to my friend's account. We're going to go to Manage Events. And from there, you're going to choose the actual event, which is a beer fest. It should be a lot of fun. And there's different types of marketing you can do within Eventbrite. But specifically, we're going to talk about how to upload this email list or use that email list to invite people to this event. At the dashboard, we can see the sales and different things here. We won't show all that good stuff. But we're going to go to Invite and Promote, and then Email Invitations is the next step. Once inside Email Invitations, you can actually connect MailChimp or Constant Contact using the login or a third-party app. And then you can choose the type of email that you want to create here, you know, formal or modern. We're going to go with modern. Name of the sender. We're going to put the Delaware Beer Festival, and we're going to reply to Dennis's email and say you're invited to the Delaware Beer Fest with the date. You don't need to change that. From here you can actually customize the email, so you can change anything about, and you can edit the message too, maybe if you don't want to have all this information. Dun, 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 a lot of good stuff. Maybe in the next email what we'll do is customize it and have a specific message with code and a discount. But we just want to send this out here first. We actually aren't going to personalize the invitation. So what we can do here is we don't necessarily have to use this. Here's the event that they're going to go to when they click back to this page. You can change all these different things. I actually like the formal look a bit better. But the next thing you want to do is you want to send out a test email to make sure this looks good. MacAdMomentum.com. Check it out on mobile, on desktop. Got the email right here. You want to make sure it looks and works good, and get your point across. So I'll pull out the email sent from the Trauma Survivors Foundation. You're invited to the Delaware Beer Fest. Looks good. Attend event. That works. If you need to change anything, now's the time. You can customize it in here. Next thing you're going to want to do is enter the list. And we're going to try using the CSV first, but you can also copy and paste or do the integration. It might be a little harder uploading the list because it's got to match the fields. So if it doesn't match the fields correctly, you might be in a little bit of trouble. I'm going to go to Add Guest, manually enter. Create this, add this here. Then we're going to want to send immediately with this message, with this event, with this invitation. Also, a quick snippet of information. We're just going to blast that out. You can only do 2,000 a day with Eventbrite. So make sure to selectively send this out to the right people that you want to send it to. Let's send that. Once it's all uploaded and working. All right, cool. We sent out 1995 of them. It'll get to see registrations and unsubscribes, which is pretty cool. Last but not least, you can actually use this list to upload to a list in the Facebook ads account. So what you're going to want to do is go into the ads account, go to all tools, go to audiences within business settings. And once inside audiences, this is just a little bit of extra information. You're going to want to upload the audience using that same CSV file, because then you can remarket via Facebook and Instagram ads to this audience, to these users, based on if they have this email account connected with their Facebook or Instagram or any of the third-party applications. We're going to go to create audience, custom audience, customer list. It doesn't include lifetime value. From customers, we're going to upload this list. Drama or DE Fest emails. All right, next. Then you gotta format it. All right, so this is gonna be first name, last name, email, do not upload, phone number, city, state. Now I've got a lot of information on these people. We're gonna upload and create. Last but not least, I like to create a lookalike audience from that email list. So it's super helpful to create the lookalike audience. It's people that look like these emails. And so you're just gonna choose United States as the lookalike. And then you can create 3 or up to 6 lookalike audiences from this list based on those users and their interest, demographic, all that stuff. That is the last thing you're going to want to do. Save that, and then you can run a campaign using that list. This wasn't a super scripted or formatted example of a Momentum Monday, but I hope this gets the point across. So remember, gather and download the list, clean the list, organize it, log into Eventbrite, go to Invite and Promote, click the email invitations, create and edit the email invitation, add your emails, send the test email, edit and optimize, and then choose delivery, and then send that email. Send it. So thanks for watching. Click like, share, subscribe. I hope this was helpful. Comment what you want to watch next, what you want to learn. Happy to create the video and the content. If you have any questions, definitely interested in answering them and hearing more about them. Thanks again. My name is Mac with Momentum Digital. This has been another Momentum Monday. Staying healthy out here. We'll see you next time.